Xtool is surprising again its users by allowing complicated functions from their more expensive X100 to be available on entry-level D7Ws. We are talking about key programming. We're talking about key programming on BMW vehicles, a thing that was quite complicated and a thing that very few people attempted to do. It is complicated because on the CAS4, CAS4 Plus, FEM, BDC ECUs, you had to remove the ECU, read the EEPROM, sometimes remove that EEPROM, process the information, and do that process to add the key. Now, expensive products like the Autel IM508 and IM608 have recently shown a feature that does some online magic somewhere and is able to actually unlock that module and do the coding via OBD. When I was playing around with these two tools on my vehicle trying to code the key to my F-Series, I found that the D7W has the menu to the level that the X100 has, and also it has a menu that might be the one which allows you to actually perform the job and you are able to do it online. So this is the more extensive menu, a menu that you will not find on the D7, a menu that should you test it on your vehicle, it might work. Looking at the other videos and looking at the other people that are using the Xtools to perform these tasks, many of them are saying that when you are doing the pre-processing, you will want a wired connection or you should avoid staying on a Bluetooth connection. The D7W uses a wireless connection, so you might be safe based on that change. Now, the D7S is a wired diagnostic tool, and the D7S might be even better to perform this task.